Simon. Welcome to Kent High Performance Cars, where we are very happy to offer this 1995 Ferrari F355 GTS, presented in rare Nero with Grigio leather and Nero carpets. One of only 360 right-hand drive cars ever built, and one of only very few built in Nero. She has covered 42,000 miles from new and has a very comprehensive service history, known to us since 2005. Belt service has just been completed in February 2022 by ourselves. The car was supplied new in January 1995 by Maranello and benefits the full carbon race seats. She comes complete with full book pack and tool roll. The current owner has owned the vehicle since 2008. Moving inside the car, you can see the Grigio leather is in great shape, as are the Nero carpets. If you have any questions or you'd like to view the car, please contact us on 01622 759 599. Thank you for viewing the video.